Hey, it's me again, your girl Van Zieg, aka Vanessa. Welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. On today's video, we're going to be doing another wig review. This wig is by Outre. Yes, we know we love some Outre on this channel. First of all, I want to wish everyone a happy Christmas, a happy holiday, and a happy new year. And thank you to all my followers. Thank you so much for joining me on my content creation chaos. I am greatly appreciative to each and every one of you. I couldn't be here without you. Well, I could be, but it makes it even better to know that people are rocking with what I'm putting out here. But on my channel, I do unboxings, I do clothing hauls, I do wig reviews, and I do at-home hair and nail tutorials, and anything else that I decide to share or anything that you, my followers, want me to do, which I haven't got any requests yet, but I'm still waiting. But if that sounds like something that you're rocking with, something that you like or love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the V-HNM Squad. Squad up. The V-HNM stands for Van Zieg's Hair, Nails, and More. That's it. And I consider us a squad because I'm ex-military, so that's the best way for me to determine what's family, what's part of me, what's a part of my people. Okay, but without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so as I said in the intro, I'm doing another wig review. This one is by Outre. It is one of their lace front wigs. It is in the Style EASTLYN for 16 inches. It's glueless. It has a pre-attached elastic band, and I have it in the color Jade Kiss, which is this color right here on the model. Isn't it pretty? I was like, oh, I gotta try that. Ooh, I can't wait. And it has a plethora of other colors for you to choose from and try. Like, for example, 1B, 2 paprika spice, rogue pink, soft blonde, 2 jade kiss, and so on and so forth. And for example, the red one they have demonstrated on here or shown on here is in the color paprika spice. Okay, it is pre-plucked. It does have that pre-plucked lace parting. It comes with natural baby hairs, and I think that's everything. And this is what it's supposed to look like. It's showing you all the different colors that come in on the back of the card, and it shows you how to care for the wig on the back of the card as well. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, I already took it out of the pack. Y'all always know Outre has the neatest packaging ever. They're very consistent with their packaging. I'm just gonna take off this net thing. Take this out. Set it to the side. Oh, let me show y'all what the parting space giving. I think that's very nice. It does look pre-plucked. Thank you. It does have the elastic band sewn in. Thank you. I love it when they sew them in because they be falling out and I don't know how to get them back in there so they stay. So thank you. I appreciate you. There is the parting space like they said. Going all the way back there and across. It's only going to be in the middle though, but I'm sure you could probably twist it over to the right or the left if you choose to. It does have two combs in the front, which are at the temples, and 1 comb in the back, and it does have the adjustable straps back here as well as the elastic band to help keep this wig on your head. Okay, the hair is giving, I don't don't know, very shiny. So if you don't like that, you probably have to use some baby powder or some dry shampoo to get rid of that shininess. I won't say it's giving baby doll, but yeah, it's very shiny. It's also very soft too. And I love this green streak. I had to change tops because I know how I get with my hoodie. I don't feel cute in my hoodie when I have on my nice wig. So I just put on this sweater real quick so the hair just lay right. Okay, so let me get this on my head. Right back. Okay, I had already taken time to braid down my hair because I know I was going to put this on. Hopefully it'll be the hair for the Christmas holiday. We'll see. Let's see here. Let's get it on. Ow! It's fitting kind of snug, but that might be because of the lace up here. It is a middle part. This is gonna be cute. The lace itself is a bit light. So, let me show y'all. Because it tucked under once I put it on my head. Well, shoot, if I can get it. It is a little light, not too bad. If you're a lighter skin tone than me, you may not have so much trouble, but I'm gonna go in with some foundation around the hairline, and then I'll cut off the lace. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have all the lace cut off, I have tinted the lace to be more my skin tone. Oh, it blends so much better now. Even though I think my hands, no, they're about the same color. All right, so let's put it back on. I'm just putting the elastic band on first. And I'm putting the comb in the back, flipping the hair back, finding those ear tabs or temple combs. If you don't know what ear tabs are, you'll know. You'll feel them. You will feel them. Found the ear tabs. Okay, I'm gonna bring it down. Yeah, this is very pretty. I like this. Ooh. Wow. Look at the blend down. Make sure I got all the baby hairs and stuff out. Yeah, I do. Look at that. Wow. Go get it. If you're not too keen on the color, pick a color you like or just get it in 1 or 1B, 2, whatever hair color you want. Quick throw on and go. The party space, I guess you could pluck it. I'm just going to put some LA Girl, sorry, this hand ain't done yet. Some LA Girl Pro concealer in the parting space to help bring it out. If I can get it working, it's probably time to get another one. Okay, let me see. Ooh, is that too light, y'all? Like it's too light. Did I get the wrong concealer out? Or did that work? Maybe it worked. Feel like you put too much concealer, just take like a napkin or something and just have it. To remove some of it. To remove some of it. Yeah. This is so pretty. It's sticking to my lip gloss though. Because it's very much so the synthetic. The blend down is amazing. You can barely tell. The cap is very snug. Like it fits perfectly. Like it's not too tight, it's not too loose. I love a cap like that. And I'm thinking that's probably due to the double hold. They got the elastic band in there and they have the adjustable eyelid straps in the back too. And then the combs, I don't use the combs in the front. I think I'm reversed from everybody else. I love the comb in the back because my hair tends to slip up because I don't have the big knob. So wigs be slipping up on me, so I love the comb in the back, and most people love the combs in the front. I don't like combs in the front because I have weak edges, so I prefer the comb in the back. Look at me already. I really like this one. So yeah, if you're into the baby hairs and stuff, I don't see a lot of baby hairs. I might have cut them off. Oh, there they go. They're very wispy. You can see them. I mean, do your thing if that's what you're into. I'm gonna leave them alone. Let's see how it combs. It is synthetic static. Ooh. So I feel like the green hair might be a problem. It's getting stuck already. Yeah, only the green is coming out. So yeah, be aware of that. Oh, but look at that curl. I'm gonna just try to do, yeah, the green hair is extra synthetic, or the colored hair is extra, ooh, ooh, yes, I love this. This is gonna be so fun for the week. Christmas is next week. Are y'all ready? I still got a bunch of stuff to wrap. I got my last few things in the mail today. And hopefully everybody be happy with what they got. In our household, everybody, yeah, like I was saying, in our household, we're doing everybody get everybody one gift. And we are a family of 6, so everybody gets 6 gifts. So I think that worked out perfectly. And I have pretty much young adults, and we have one little girl together. Well, yeah, together. So I think it's gonna be a good Christmas for everybody. We kept it budget friendly this year, so mama don't have to buy everything. But yeah, I really like this. Be aware that it is synthetic as far as the color. Oh yeah. I'm sorry, y'all. I should have did this one sooner so y'all can get it for Christmas. If y'all got that fast shipping where you're from, I know this one took about a week to get to me. It does shed a bit, but that's expected for the price I paid. The quality, I think, is still really good. I think it's on sale on Elevated Styles is where I got it from. Very pretty. This is how I would wear it. Just like this. Let me show y'all the back if I can. Yeah, I really like this. Let's see something. Y'all know I'm a right side part girly. Yes. Yes, yes. Get my ear out. Psych. I think I'm gonna wear it like this. This is pretty. I like it. I like it. Yeah, I definitely like it like this better. So, oh, look how the brush glides through now that I got those tangles out. I guess that was package tangling. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Let me do this. Look at this. It's pretty. Oh, yeah. So, this is the hair for the holidays. Let me do the tuck behind the ear. I never do that. Those who get it, get it. Alright. So yeah, again, this wig did not require any glue or anything. This is going on glueless. And it looks fabulous. It fits to your head very snugly. Not a lot had to be done to it. It comes pre-curled, pre-styled, and pre-colored if you so choose. It is shedding a little bit, not a lot of it, just a little bit. And, yeah, let me see. I'm getting a few strands that, especially from the green area, but I'm not mad at it. I am not mad at it. I'm gonna just comb it a little more. Hopefully I get hopefully once I comb it out really, really well, I won't get as many. Yes, I really, really, really love this. This is definitely my hair for the holidays, for next week. This is so pretty. I'm definitely in the holiday spirit for this hair. I really like this one. So again, this was by, what card? This is by Outre, and their lace front lace wig collection is pre-plucked, lace parting, natural baby hairs. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees. It's a glueless wig. It has the elastic band and the adjustable straps at the back of the head, 3 combs, temples, and the back of the head. And the style is called EASTLYN, and I got it in the color Jade, number 2, Jade Kiss. So if you're interested, everything will be linked in the specs below or the description below. And I got this one off Elevated Styles. They have really fast shipping if you're interested and you want to get it before the holiday gets here. Okay? Yeah, this is perfect. I'm gonna be cute on a budget always. Alright, so yeah, this has been your girl Van Zeke, aka Vanessa. I'll see y'all next time. Vanessa out. Peace.